Hi y'all, it's Kimberly Barton with McGrew Real Estate. And yes, I have to say that at some point in my video, so I might as well just say it in the beginning and get it over with. Have to say it because of guidelines and fun stuff like that. But anyway, I'm coming to you today with a maintenance minute video. I think that's a cute name, so I'm going to try and use it. I thought I would talk to you about, just for 60 seconds even, things you can do around your house to make it last longer, to make it stay in shape better. And one of the things that I wrote down was, wouldn't it be cool if there was an app or a way that you could go in and figure out what has to be done in your home and stay on top of it? And I found something online, two things. You know how you're supposed to change the filter in your air conditioning unit or your furnace? If you go to Filtrete, Filtrete.com, Filtrete has an app and they will send you reminders to, hey, it's time to change your filter on your furnace. And then also I found something called homecalendar.com, and I went to that and looked at it, and it's really cool. It has dishwasher cleaning, changing the filter in your furnace, cleaning out your the disposal, things like that. So if you want to go there, homecalendar.com, it's got like 4 or 5 different categories. You can sign up for it and they send you information. Anyway, that's really about all I had to say today. I just wanted to send you something new and say, hey, still out here working for you and trying to make things happy and great for you in your home. Call me if you need anything. Thanks. And please subscribe to my page and come back here as often as you want. There's all kinds of fun stuff to look around at.